Hello all, welcome back. Today on this session, I'm going to show you how to change x-axis or legends with the help of slices selection. We have plotted bar graph and donut chart on our page. We have attribute slicer. According to the attribute slicer selection, axis on the bar chart and donut chart will be changing. So let's see when I'm selecting country. On both the charts, we'll have countries on the x-axis and legends. When we select product, we'll have a product. When we select segment, we'll have segment. As per the slices selection we are making, the axis or legends on both donut chart and bar chart are changing. Let me show you how to create this in Power BI Desktop. I am taking sample data. If we see the data, we have a segment, country, and product columns. Now I am going to take these columns from column level to row level. So let's go on to the Power Query. I'm duplicating this table. I'm going to have only 3 columns: segment, country, and product, and removing other columns. Let us remove duplicates on all the columns. So now to make the values from columns to rows, we are going to utilize unpivot option. So now if we see segment, country, and product are on row level, if the values are also coming on row level opposite to it on the value column. Let's name it as axis hierarchy. I'm just closing and applying the changes. Let's see how this is working now. Axis hierarchy. I'm taking the attribute. And as well as values. Let's take attribute as a slicer. So let's select country. So if you see, when I select country, now I'm only getting country values. When I select product and segment, we can see as per the selection we are making, the values changing. So now we achieve the first level. We need to achieve values to be changing from the sales financials table with as per the slicer selection that we are making on attribute slicer. So let me bring sales here. So if you see, when I'm bringing the sales here, I'm getting constant value because as we do not have any relationship between these two tables. So let's see on the data model. So we do not have any relationship here. We do not have any relationship, but still we need to have the values to be changing as per the slicer selection. To do that, we'll be using treat as function. I'm just going to create a measure saying that sales. I'll be using switch function, switch true, selected value. When selected value, when selected at value from attribute equal to country, then so we need to have a sales we need to sales coming for as per the country. So let's say for that we are using treat as function. So if you see treat as function, treats the column of the input table as column from other tables. Values. So whichever the column that we are going to treat. Here we are treating attribute column as country column. Let's close this. I'm just passing 0. Let us check whether this is working or not. So let's bring this measure onto the table. So we are getting 0. So let's select country. Okay, when we are selecting country, the table is going blank. Let's see what is the issue here. Okay, So if you see, I'm treating attribute table as country, attribute column as country column, so which is wrong. So we need to treat value column, which holds the values for country, segment, and product. So let's execute this and see the values. So now if you see, we are getting the right values as expected. So when we select product, so we are getting 0 as we haven't written for those two, product and segment. So let's write for product and segment as well. So I'm just going to copy the same thing. So when we are going to pass product here, when we select product, we should treat it as product column from the financial table. Let's run this and check how the values are coming. So as per the country, we are getting the values. Let's see for product and segment. So now if you see, values are switching as per product and segment as per product and segment as well. Let's plot this on a bar graph and as well as on a donut chart. Now if you see, as per the slices selection, axis on bar graph and legends on pie chart are switching with attribute selection. So this is how we can make dynamic axis with the help of slicer selection by using treeattach function. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.